I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry roads on FiveM. First off, from your home page here, you just want to right click. Now on right click, you want to go to show more options. Now on show more options, go to NVIDIA control panel right here. Now on NVIDIA control panel, let's just wait for this to load. Now once it loads, just wait for it and you want to go to manage 3D settings. Now on manage 3D settings, you want to go ahead and go to program settings. Now on program settings, go to this one here, select a program to customize, tap on this. Now on here, you want to find FiveM, right? If you can't find it here, tap on add like this. Now on here, you can see FiveM, right? These, right? So FiveM, tap on add selected program. And you can see LP FiveM right here, right? Now, once you pick on this, you want to go ahead and go to one of the use global setting here. Do not make it global setting. Make it high performance into the NVIDIA processor here as well. And then you can see it'll allow you to edit this now. Now on this one on filtering, you want to tap on use global settings and change it to be 16x like this. And then that's it. Tap on apply and then you're done. Go back to FiveM and it should fix your blurry yellow roads.